When it comes to the Northeast, क्या प्रॉब्लम है वहाँ पे?
Northeast has been destroyed because of vote bank politics. You've imported people from Bangladesh. हमको लगता है कि बांग्लादेश हमारा दोस्त है. I'm sorry, बांग्लादेश हमारा दोस्त नहीं है. पॉलिटिक्स में आप रिलीजन को लाकर आप लोगों को इनसिक्योर बना रहे हो. इलेक्शन तो चला जाएगा, देश का क्या होगा? हम लोग दिल्ली आते हैं, everybody says, oh, are you Indian? Do you feel Indian? Why are you questioning us? We are deeply patriotic. We just feel hurt. By God, अगर अपने लोगों को कुछ दे दिया ना, भिखारी भी बन के मरूंगा तो ऊपर में मुझे सुकून मिलेगा.
Why did you quit the Congress?
प्रद्योत का दरकार नहीं है, अब प्रद्योत को लात मार के फेंको. Person who threw me out of the Congress left the Congress himself.
Is ego of individual people the cause of the problems of this country?
Big problem.
Who is the most egoistic leader you have ever met?
They've served in the top positions in India and they've gone to jail also. You don't want to give us education in the language we want. You don't want to give us land rights. You're denying the people their constitutional fundamental rights. Oh, you all eat momos. You all eat dogs. What is this? Manipur is a political problem created by politicians. Politics was supposed to be about people. Now politics is about power. हम बांग्लादेश को रात में हजार टन चावल भेजते हैं. वो सवेरे हमारे मिसगाइडेड यूथ को AK-47 और बॉम्ब भेजते हैं.
अगर आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर होते, आप क्या करते?
2 मिनट में तोड़ देता बांग्लादेश को. If we don't strike them first, they will strike us.
You think so?